Hey guys, it's me Harshan. Welcome back to my channel Baking Vibes. If I don't know how to decorate a cake, which idea should I use for decorating it? One thing that I always use, which is my safe place, is using roses to decorate my cakes. So what I use is whipped cream and then make roses out of it. I have taken a long time to master how to make roses perfectly, but if I show you this guide today, you will be able to do this, I think, within a week or so if you practice it every day. It is not that difficult, just that you need a few tips and a few tools, and then you will be able to make it in no time. I am showing you how to make it using whipped cream. You can also use buttercream to do so. Now without any further ado, let's get started. To make a rose or any flower, you will require a flower nail. It looks like this, and you can easily get this in any utensil or bakery shop. Along with that, you will require a piping bag filled with a rose piping tip, and this is optional, but I think it's helpful to keep a piping bag with any round nozzle. It can be small or large. So now we will start piping our roses. So first we will pipe a mound, and then we will start making a rose on top of this mound. So first we will make a small swirl on top. So for that, keep the narrow end of the tip on the top and the broad end on the bottom. And now once you have made that, we will start making our petals. The best way to go around is making 3 petals, then 5, and then 7, so increasing it by odd numbers. Once we make our petals, we have to just rotate it like this between our fingers and keep making new petals like this. So let's get started. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finally 7. So you can make a rose like this, or if you want, you can make a bigger rose by increasing the numbers by going on to 9 and then 11 and keep on like that. I think this is the perfect size. So now I'm showing you how to transfer it onto a cupcake. You can also use the same technique to transfer it on a cake. So first I will pipe a little icing, and now the best trick that I have found is by using a scissors. People also do this using a straight spatula. So what you do is just open your scissors, go underneath the rose and then close it just this much, lift it, place it, and then squeeze out like this. And this is how you transfer a rose onto a cupcake. Now always there are some gaps left, and even if there aren't a lot of gap left, the best way to complete a rose is by making a few leaves. So here I have some green icing with a leaf tip, and I will just pipe a few leaves onto the side. This just makes it complete. Now let's make one more rose. Let us now see how to make this on a cupcake. First, make the mound. And that was my tutorial on how to pipe roses out of whipped cream or buttercream. I hope you found this helpful, and if you liked it, then don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't already, then subscribe to my channel. If you practice making these roses and if they turn out great, then please let me know how did it turn out by telling me on my social medias, for which all the links are in the description box below. And if you have some problems while making the roses, like if the icing is becoming too thin or loose, what you can do is pop it in the freezer for some time, whip it again, and then it will be back to its consistency. I'll see you guys soon. Until then, keep baking and stay happy.